I'll fly.
I'm good. Crank it.
Deploying drone. Tango marked. He's a little close to civilians. Got another tango. I got a third. I asked the rebels to do a recon of the area. We're up to 15. Got eyes on a tango. He's got a lot of background. That's 20. This is the garage. Sound off if you spot Polito's car.
Roger that. We got a mounted weapon. We got a mounted weapon. Moving to position. Got the target. Check your targets. We got civilians all over the place. He's down. Okay, we're still all right.
Roger that. Let me get into position. Roger that. Target marked. Lost visual on the target. Roger. Target acquired. That's one. I think they found their pal. The noisemaker's
There it
getting their
is.
attention.
Eyes on Polito's car. This car is swanky. And there's a bloody condom in the glove box. Make that 2 bloody condoms.
Give a second.
Hold on.
I'm engaging takeoffs.
Eyes up. Let's get back to work. This car is swanky. And there's a bloody condom in the glove box. Make that 2 bloody condoms.
I guess that confirms it's Yuri and Polito's ride.
Even if the condoms come standard, it's a sweet fucking car.
I never could understand narco billing. You get an expensive whip, put chrome rims on it, then you just drive it around the same dusty towns you were driving around before.
You totally want one of these cars, don't you?
Fancy car, fancy suit, still the same street, so what's the point?
Air conditioning.
Nearby sicarios could swoop in and rescue him. And Pozolero, if you're listening, keep your mouth shut. Because we're gonna find you, and anyway, it's up to you if it's a rescue or a hit. Stay tuned to DJ Perico, because next up, my favorite hour of the day, DJ Perico's non-stop Lambada hour. Ciao!
All right, now it's up to Bowman and the Activity. They'll check the car's GPS for locations where Yuri and Polito may be hiding out.
Nomad, we finally got a 20 on Yuri and Polito. The Activity cross-referenced the car's GPS with that description you got from the prisoner. They're at a hunting lodge. Rumor has it they use that spot for their enhanced interrogation.
Send us the location and we'll take care of it.
Put them in the ground for me. Make sure they feel the pain.